My name is Todd Cordy, and today I'm reviewing the Big Blue 15,000 Lumens Tri-Color Underwater Video Light. 15,000 lumens provides a lot of light. Here's how it breaks down into settings. 2 white settings and a red light make up the 3 color options, with a cool white 6500K and a warm white 5500K option. In this video, on the left I have the warm 5500 setting, and on the right side I have the cool 6500 setting. You can see the warm and cool difference in colors. For those videographers that are picky about their white balance and colors, having a choice between the 2 white settings is a great option to have in an underwater light. 15,000 lumens is a lot of light. You can see the difference between no light and light when I block the light with my hands. The difference between having a light and not having a light is pretty significant. Navigating through the light settings can be a bit complicated at first, but after a couple dives, it gets pretty easy. There's an LED battery indicator on the button that helps show the level of power left in the battery. It starts with blue, then moves to green, red, and then finally blinking red to indicate the amount of power left in the battery. It's a heavy light with weight being pretty much all of the battery. Its simple aluminum design creates buoyancy underwater, decreasing the weight underwater by more than half. What this means for you is an underwater light with some incredible battery life. Not only do you have a bright, even light with no hard edge and a long burn time, but it also has an impressive 160-degree beam of light. Most video lights will have a 90 to 120-degree beam of light, so having 160 degrees is a big selling point. Inside, you'll notice the double O-rings for a watertight seal. If you disconnect the power, it's great for traveling so you don't accidentally turn on the light. Just pack everything back in, screw the tap back on, and then there's no chance of hitting the light and turn the light on during transport. To charge up the battery, just plug this in here, make sure it's firm. Plug it into the wall, and then on the charger there's a light indicator to show red for charging and green when it's finished charging. You connect the connectors back, put the lid back on, and you're good to go. Bright light, long burn time, 2 different colors of white, and a 160-degree beam of light at a competitive price makes the Big Blue 15,000 Tri-Color Underwater Video Light worth looking into if you're shopping around for an underwater video light.